Okay, hello everyone. Today I'm going to share with you why you should change your tune-o-matic bridges. If you have a lower end tune-o-matic bridge style guitar, like a Les Paul, an SG series, that kind of thing. In this case here, we got a Vendetta. So what happens is that when I check, the bridge is actually out of place, meaning this guitar neck actually has a radius. So what's intended is that you want to match the radius of the tune-o-matic bridge here to the bridge to the radius of the guitar neck. So if you want to do that, and if you have a low quality bridge like this one, this is installed, pre-installed. If you have a low quality bridge sometimes, or you have a high quality bridge but over time it will concave or it will actually collapse. If you can see here, I don't know if you can see properly, but let me just get this board here. You can see properly, actually the bridge in the middle, it has leveled out, meaning it has collapsed. The bottom side here, the middle side, it has actually collapsed and it has straightened out, meaning this is a straighter radius than whatever radius is on the guitar board here. So there's a few ways you can go about doing it, but it's not ideal for me, because there's one way that I've seen people do before. It's actually clamping this side and clamping this side and bending it to re-radius the tune-o-matic bridge. But I do not recommend that, because it actually weakens the metal again, pushing on the opposite end of the guitar bridge. So if you want to take a look whether you need to change it or not, or whether you want to consider changing it or not, is this. Just try and see if you can see. Okay, so if I take the bridge like that, if let's say you have the bottom side here and we have the top side here, so just look at the base. Alright, if the base here, it has like a frowning face, right? And it was supposed to be like that slightly, alright? But if let's say this smiley face, it actually becomes like this, then you have a collapsed bridge. Okay, if you see the top side will have actually like a frowning face, but it becomes like this, smiley face, then you have a collapsed bridge. So ideally you want it to have a frowning face on top, then on the bottom side you want it to have this, a frowning face. This one you don't want. Okay, if it collapse, if the bridge collapse, it simply means the middle side here, the middle side of the two inside strings, it actually drop in terms of height, and it might actually go and bother, or it creates buzzing on the middle side of the on the middle part of the guitar neck. But then again, if you're lucky, sometimes it doesn't bother your playing. But if you want it to play as intended by the designers, then of course get it swapped out. I've seen people play for like 20 years, 30 years, severe curvature, but they don't want to change it out. This is mainly because they want to retain that guitar value. This is fine, but if you want to play it as it's intended, then of course get it changed out. Pricing wise, you got the cheap ones, cheap and good, like your Gotos. That one will set you back maybe $50-$60 just for the parts. Then we got the FAR or FBR bridges. That one is a bit higher quality ones. Then of course you got the original tune-o-matics, that kind of thing. So price will vary. If you need my help, if you're not sure whether you really need to change, then of course can drop me a message, then I'll take a look at it. Okay, bye. Thank you. Take care. Bye. Okay, if you like the content, subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know. Comment below, or you can DM me. If you're based in Singapore, you have any questions, you can WhatsApp me. Bye.